This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Christy Imperio. Welcome home to 265 Whitetail Loop. This brand new Craftsman is the perfect home with master on the main, vaulted ceiling with lots of natural light. 3 large bedrooms upstairs, one could be extra den / TV room. Large open floor plan with a gourmet kitchen and eating area. Stainless package included, under cabinet lighting, engineered hardwood that will withstand anything. Looking to upgrade? This home is close to I-5 access right across from upgraded Lincoln Park. Get inside and check it out, one of 16 in the circle. Mountain Estates is now complete. Get in and take a look. For more information, review the details below.